So hello everyone. I'm Wright, and I'm currently just the sales and marketing director of MicroBT. Actually, MicroBT is a world-leading Bitcoin miner manufacturers. Our brand is WhatsMiner. So I believe, most of our clients just familiar with how about our product. So we are so excited this time. We have the chance to introduce our latest update with you. I know, this time is very precious. So we just firstly, we just like to thank Bitcoin media who would just support us to do that. And after that, I would give you a quick brief about our just product in 2025. I know December is the last month of a year. So it's time for us to do reviewing and the plannings. Let's just check what we have right now. I don't know if anyone who attended our new product launch yesterday. It's a big event for us. We shared the latest update with our clients. So by the chance, I'm so happy to bring the important part here with you. The first part, I would like to introduce our product by the chance. We have the latest generations, M70s. Actually, everyone know, from we established in 2016. We start from M1. And right now, we have M70s. It's so exciting that the performance is quite good. We have M70 Series, and we also just have the different types of the models. M70's, the power efficiency is about 15.5 joule per terahash. And of course, we can support hydrogen, air, and immersions. We also have M70S. The power efficiency is better. It's 13.5 joule per terahash. Of course, we have more advanced models. Yeah, we have M70S Plus. Actually, it's about 12.5 joules per terahash. Every step, we like to prove it. We try to help you to make mining perfect and stable. Every time when we just deliver our machines, we would also just help anyone to do the test. So it means our sample is ready. You can easily to find those samples through our sales from our website and just maybe check if it's good or not at your site. And beside the product, I would like to just also share a few parts related to corporations. The first part is joint mining program. Let me just think. Time is money. So if your facility is ready, if you do not want to waste time on such kind of financing and such kind of process to choose the miners, we can offer you miners and work together. Of course, if you just feel a little bit nervous and uncomfortable when you just make the decisions to buy the models, I know the price of the Bitcoin just maybe has fluctuations. So the price of the Bitcoin changes the price of the hardware a lot. And if you are conservative, you do not want to just face such kind of swing. We also just can help you to offer miners and work with you to reduce such kind of risk and challenges what you do not like to face. And the third part, for the standard models, we should just maybe solve the problems and face all kind of corner case. That means we have to leave enough margins on our product. So our product is maybe quite stable. But if you want to maximize the performance and if you want to just squeeze the margins, we have a chance to help you. After I just worked with you on a specific site, when we know the details of your site, we can just try to release the customized firmware and help you to just maximize the perfect by the chance. Finally, we have a bunch of industry partners. We could just support you from all perspectives. If you have the problems from such kind of financing, if you have problems from the system, we also have partners for that. So the joint mining program is such kind of good recommendations. We like to work with you from the scratch. I know most of you, if you are skilled or experienced on mining, it's quite good. You can just handle everything. But time's passed 10 years. Right now, we go to refined management. We need to cover all parts of mining. We are so confident to help you from all directions. I will just give a quick introductions about our joint mining program. Like our product, we always like to keep everything simple and stable. So our joint mining program is also quite simple. It's a classic joint mining business models. We would do revenue sharing. And I will give quick examples for that. If you have facilities, the tariff is about 4.5 cents. We will just maybe try to negotiate with you, and we will just release our standard business models. It means we will just determine the perfect shared rate based on the input contest. And right now, most of the time, it's 70 versus 30. And we also like to just help you, make more profitable. It means we will just give you half to half after the payback period arrived. If you like to know how we can work together, we have a very clearly time to development process. It's only 3 months. After we know your informations, we will just try to expand our business models and get your informations through the due diligence. Of course, it's only 1 week. We can just know each other's. When we just feel everyone just have the chance, or just it's possible to move ahead, we will assign our engineering team to do the on-site audit. And another week will just help us know each other. Of course, this is not only audit. We will just share our experience and help you to know how to just make everything better and stable. After that, we will go to the agreement. When we sign agreement, it's quite simple. We will start to prepare the productions. And of course, the productions, the leading times for productions is sometimes 4 weeks. And the total just timings for time to deployment is about 3 months. So when you just decided to do joint mining with us, don't hesitate, just contact with us. If we can just have your clearly timelines, it's much easier for us to match your schedules and make everything simple and profitable. So in last year, we get 150 requests on joint mining. We just launched 31 projects. And of course, everyone would be happy on that. So here is 2 examples. All of them currently are in US. The first one, they have some such kind of special case. Their site is close to the sea. So the dust, the humidity will hurt the operations. The stability would be just the key for the minings. If you cannot get the good uptimes, how can you just keep the profit? When we just worked with them, we just try to produce the specific machines. We just add the code for the hashboard and helped our partners to keep the stable on that. Of course, we can also just share more information to the next part. This is a very urgent case. When we know they will start to do power on, they have to pay the cost of the powers. How can they get machines so quickly? We just try to deliver our product on time. Of course, right now, everyone just want to focus on this program. So you can easily to contact with us through all kinds of ways. But we try to set up directly connections through mining at MicroBT email. If you have such kind of requirement, just let us know. The last part, I would like to introduce our ecosystems. I know ecosystems is very just valuable for the industry. But who would like to just spend their effort, spend their times on that? MicroBT is always a responsibility firms. We like to just share our partners with the whole industry. So right now, you can see if you are suffer on such kind of issues, if you are suffer on such kind of reliable and safety delivery, if you do not just for sure about the systems, which one could be matched your selections well, we can help you on that. We would like to just review our partner's design and make sure it can just 100% support our margins. We can just help you to do the on-site audit, to understand their teams, to understand their delivery capabilities, and their support capabilities. When you just maybe found them, you would not just feel any issues on that. So we call this program ecosystems. We also just named it MicroBT collections. You can see we put every resources around you. We believe this is more. So it means we know everyone would just contribute their effort on your specific case. You will get better performance. This is the deep optimization comes from. It's also a methodology from the chip development, what Dr. Yang found, we call full custom design. If you want to become our partners, we have simple two-step. The first step, you can just contact with us and share the document. We would just help you to review your logic, how you just design your product, and what kind of margins you have. And the next part is about on-site audit. Just as I mentioned, we will help you to just check the capabilities, the teams, the expertise, what our partners has. Of course, yeah, if you have interest in to become our certificate partners, please don't hesitate to contact with us through our email address, marketing@microbt.com. We are so happy. So right now, in last year, we found 4 partners. It's Hiko, Hashhouse, Giga, and Fukashi. I know all of them just become the famous brand in these industries. They also have booths outside. So just come to and just get the performance. Thank you so much.